Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Gautam Kumawat, and in this video we are going to talk about how we can able to crack the Windows passwords. So we are going to crack the Windows password using the SAM file. SAM file is the security account manager file. This is the containing the hash of the Windows passwords. So we are going to crack those hash using some different type of techniques like as brute force or dictionary attack. So we will see the practical demonstrations of it. So the question is where the SAM file is stored. You can see this is the current path of the SAM file. So you have to go to C drive, and after that you have to go to Windows folder. Inside the Windows folder you have to go to System32, and inside the System32 folder you will find out the one folder that is the config. And inside that config folder you will find the SAM file, system files. So basically the SAM file is containing the Windows password hash, and the another file is the system file that we will use to crack the Windows password. So the system file is containing key to crack out the SAM file. So we will see the practical demonstration here. So for that we are going to use two attacks. The first one is the brute force and second one is the dictionary attack. So what is the brute force attack? In the brute force attack, it will make every permutation and combination of your password. So you have to define first what is the length of your password, and after that if my password is length is, for example, is 3, so it will try out every single password which length is the 3 and try out to crack out that hash. So there are some examples are also given. For example, hello. So as I given that password length is 4 or password length is 5, and I'm having only alphabetical character here. So as it will try out hello, I've written there hello. So it will H, first of all it will capital, after that it will take as lowercase, and it will try the every possible combination to crack out those passwords. So basically it is easy to crack when the key length is small, but if the key length is the larger, then it will not work as efficient. For that you need any type of supercomputer which can do the combination permutation very fast. The second method is the dictionary attack. Dictionary attack will be containing the list of certain common keys. So if you are using like as some people use the I love you password as a password, or their names, their college name, their father name, their pet name, their mobile number as their password. So according to that person we will make certain dictionary of all password that maybe that person can keep. So according to those password we will try to crack that hash. So we will try the dictionary attack when the password is common. Again, the efficient method as per my suggestion is the dictionary attack, because using the dictionary attack you can successfully able to crack the password within some limited time. You don't have to give that much of time, but if dictionary attack doesn't work, then you should try go for the brute force attack. So this is the clear example I given here, that the maximum size of password is 3 and the character set is number. So hope we will know that. We already know using some facts. So it will try out every single combination of 3 character password. So you can see here 111, 112, 113. So that's how it will try out and implement. The second one is the dictionary attack. So inside this there is no maximum size of passwords. We haven't given any type of, and the character set is also anything. So we are having the list of passwords. So it will try out every single password and compare with the hash. If the same password is not exist, or that password, the hash of that password is not similar to our given password, then it's not going to work. So after that we have to apply for the brute force attack. But if you are not getting what actually the brute force and dictionary attack, we will do the practical demonstration here. So keep patience. So let's crack the Windows password. So for that I have to go to my Windows machine. So for that I have to go to my Windows machine, and after that just open up your browser and search for download can and able. So this is the tool we are going to use. So just go to this website oxid.it, and in this website you can able to download the can enable. So you can see this is the downloading here. You have to click on it to download it up, and after that you can download. Well, so I already downloaded this software can enable into my desktop. This is inside the win folder here, so I will copy out these things and paste out on desktop. Perfect. So this is my can enable software. Again we are just going to explore the where is the SAM file is located. So I have to go to C, and after that I have to go to Windows, and in this Windows you will find out that there is the folder system32. Just go down a little bit. System32 is here, and after inside that there will be config folder. So you can see this is the SAM file here, this is the security or system file here that is containing the key of our SAM file. So we are going to use these two files to crack out our password. So just do one thing, I will just try out to open it up, but you can see this will containing the lot of salt or random character, but you unable to open this file because there is a locked given here. So this is locked. Again, if you want to copy this file into your desktop, you are unable to copy out. So we will just try out. So you can see this is the error is given because the action can't be able to complete because the file is open in system. So right now this file is basically protected and it's not going to open if our computer system is on. But using some tools and techniques we are going to copy this file into our some another folder. So let's close it up. So this is the path currently where we can find out the SAM and the system file. So I've written one of the script. So this is the basically script. Just wait a bit, sorry. This is the script. You have to click on the edit. So this is script I have write down, and after that you have to click on save as, and you can save it as copier same, and you have to click select as all, save as, and after that you give the extension as .bat because we are going to use the batch file to copy our SAM and system file. So click on save. So you can see on desktop this is appeared frontally. So what exactly this my script will do, it go to the registry, and after it will go to HKLM path, HKey local machine path, and after that from this will copy for the SAM file, and it will copy SAM file and paste that SAM file into our C folder. So currently you can see that inside our C folder there is a here no, you can see SAM or system file, but when we'll run this script we are going to save the SAM file inside our C folder. So just C drive, sorry. So same as is going to copy the system file also into our C drive. So I'm just closing it up, and this is our SAM copier. So I will just right click on it and click on the run. So you seen that some type of operation in background happen, and just check out your folder here. So just go and check out. Here is the SAM and the system file. So that's how we can copy it out it. So just I will copy it and paste it into on my desktop. So it will be easy for me to do the task. So I'll close it out. So right now we are going to, as I already told you, we have to install the CA setup using, when you go to this site oxid.it, you can download the can here by going to the can.html, and by clicking here you can download it. So right now we are going to install it. So just double click on it and click on the run. So click next, and you have to select path. I'm just clicking next, doing nothing, and you can see the installation is finished up. So it's asking for the to install some packet driver now. So I will click on the install, and I have to install those drive also. That is the window pickup. So great. So you can see the can is successfully installed here. So to open up the can, I will just double click on it, and it's saying that Windows file is enabled. Some can function will not work. correctly, but it will be okay. I don't have to worry. So I click on open and it's loading up. So there are, when you go to the cracker, there are different type of hashes listed given there. So if you want to delete if you already did some operations, you have to click on the remove all after selecting, so it will be delete the all entries. So you can see here, this is the LM and anti-LM hashes are already given here. So Windows passwords are, encrypted using the LM and anti-LM hashes encryption technique. So these are the different type of techniques given here, but if we want to crack out the Windows password, we have to use this technique. So what I will do, I will click on add here after selecting the cracker. Inside, first I have to go to cracker and I have to select the LM and anti-LM hashes, and after selecting I have to click here, so the add sign will come up. So after clicking here, the add sign will come up, so just click on it. And even there are two type of techniques. So first one is, if you don't copy it using the same techniques, so you can add is also using this technique. So just click on, when you click on it, just include password history of hashes. So it will be import the hashes from local system. So right now we are imported from our local system. So when you click on it, you will see here the all here it is. So the passwords, our Windows, this is our administration Gautam, this is my username, and this is password. Password is currently not cracked yet, so we are going to crack them. So this is the first techniques. But what happen, sometimes you have to copy the SAM file or system file from the users, and after that you have to keep it in your pen drive, and at your home you have to crack those files. So how I can able to do that? So first of all, I will clean out, and we will see that how using the, like I copied the same and system file from my friend computer to crack out that person password. So I will go to my home and open up my computer, install the CAN enable software, and after that, that's how I will hack their or crack their password. So I will select the import hashes from text file. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to select the SAM file and the boot key file. So this is the boot key file, is basically the system file. So first of all, I will select the SAM file here. So on the desktop we are having the SAM file, so just go there and select open. This is our boot key, so this is our system file. So it's giving to, you can see this is asking for the boot key here. So load system file boot key. So I will have to add the system file. Done. So just, you can copy it out, because you have to paste this key here, and I will click on the exited, and I will post or paste the key here, and after that I will click on the next. So you can see the same administration or the users I'm having in my computer is imported into the CAN software. So right now we are going to crack the password of the administrator or Gautam. So just right click on it, and when you click on the dictionary tag, you can see there is the two things are given. First one is the dictionary tag, second one is the brute force tag. So I will try out the first dictionary tag. So in the dictionary tag, you can see that we are already having the list of passwords. So this is the file. So I'm just erasing the file, that remove all, click yes, and when I click on the add to list, so when you will install the CAN software here, so let's check out where is the CAN software is currently installed. So I will search for, here it is. So inside the CAN folder, we are having the one folder as the word list. So this word list is containing a lot of passwords. As I already told you that we can use this password as a dictionary tag. So these are containing password. So maybe my Windows machine password is having as 1. As you already seen at the past time that in past tutorials that I put it down, my password is 1. So right now the password is 1. So if my password is 1 or my password is inside the word list, it will be successfully able to crack out that password. So it doesn't matter how long my password, if the same password is inside the word list, so it will be cracked within some seconds. So just close it up and close the dictionary here. Again go to your here I have to select the add to list, because I have to select, I am doing the dictionary tag and I will select the dictionary path here. So dictionary we are having inside the C and program CAN and the word list here. So I will just click it open, and we will these are the some options given. So I will select it as it is password, and these are the options you can select down if you want to reverse the passwords also. So if there is password, so it will do reversing also. So you can see here this example is giving, and after that I'm just clicking on the start button here. So you can see this is unable to crack out the password. So I will do the next challenge here. Dictionary attack ALM hashes plus challenge. So again I loaded up the word list here. If you haven't loaded up, just please load it up and select the as it is, and I will click on the start. So you can see it's unable to crack out. So maybe the this administrator is not having password, so we don't know any type of possibility. We are just trying out. So right now you can see this is successfully able to crack out the password on the 156 position on the word list. We are having the same password as 1. So this is the saying that the password is 1 and the attack stop, and 1 has cracked. So our machine password is the 1. So that's how you can successfully able to crack down any password if that password is listed into your word list. Again I'm just trying to crack that password. First of all, this is 1 is showing. So again I will do with some different process, as we will try to use the brute force attack here also. So let's just try out. I will clear out the screen here, and again I will select the ALM hashes, click on here, and I will add or I will just import directly from my local machine. So it will take a little bit time in just loading up. So here it is. So right now I'm going to crack using the brute force attack. So I'm directly just trying the anti-ALM hashes here. So you can see this is the predefined character, or this is my choice, like as our password is 1, so I can select this only. But if your password is containing alphabetic, numerical, or some special character, then you have to select this one, or according to your choice. So it's totally depend on the criminal, like as that criminal maybe keep these type of passwords. So you have to do all type of information gathering before doing any type of attacks. So as my password is 1234, and I have to select the maximum minimum length. So as I know that my password is from the 1 length, so I will, for example, I will take maximum length as 2. So if you take the more length, so it will be going to make the permutation combination. So it will take a lot of time in cracking up. So everything is just finished. I have to click on the start, and you can see within a single second, it can be successfully able to crack out these passwords using the brute force attack. So what exactly it's doing, I will put the password length as 5, so it's going to be making the combination till the 5, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 1. So like as a character, it will keep the character length as 5, and it will try out every single password that is possible in this word. So that's how we can successfully able to crack the passwords. And I am just adding my script here in my resource section, so you can copy this script, or even you can write into your notepad also. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Have a great awesome day. So this is the motivation for the today. I work while they sleep, I learn while they party, I save while they spend, and maybe that's why I live like they dream. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.